Hi, welcome back everyone, and welcome back to all my subscribers and anyone that may be new. Today I have two Goodwill Blue Boxes. They were running a sale on their apparel box for $14.99, so I picked up one of those, and I also picked up a shoe box for $29.99. It was $7 shipping for each box plus tax. My total was $62.96 for both boxes. So the apparel box should be around $2 per piece, and the shoe box should be around $7.80 per piece. So let's get right into this. And excuse if there's any sneezing or sniffles. Allergies are really bothering me right now, and I gotta remember to look in the right spot. Okay, let's see. What did I do? My scissors. And I'm gonna be honest, I have not gotten these boxes in a long time. I don't know if y'all remember when they first came out, you used to have to sit at the computer at 6 o'clock to get those boxes. I was really into it then, and I got some really good shoes in the shoe boxes. I made a ton of money off of them. I used to get Jordans, about 2 pairs in each box. But then it started kind of going downhill when they started selling, the pieces themselves. So I stopped. So this is the first time in a long time since I've gotten it. So we shall see. I've seen some people get some really good boxes, and the apparel at that price was just, I went on there just to get the shoes, and then I saw they had their apparel for $14, and I was like, well shoot, I'll give it a try. So we'll see. Okay, let's see which one this is. Looks like this is the apparel box. And there's my slip. Put that over here. And I'll put this down here. Okay. Oh, let's do the first look. There we go. Something black on top, so you really can't see it that well. This looks like something, oh, new with tags. So this is Wild Fable, retail $25, and it looks to be a dress, if you can see that. Pretty flowery color. Okay, that's one. Another new with tag. That's awesome. What is this? This is, oh, Fashion Nova Amazon. Does Fashion Nova sell? I've never sold any of that. And this looks like a slinky little see-through kind of thing. I'm gonna back up a little bit so y'all can see these better. Don't know about that. Okay. This looks like some kind of velvet, which would be good for Christmas. I really need some winter stuff. Okay, this is Forever 21. Looks like this is new with tags also. $34.99, size small. And it looks to be some kind of jacket. You can see that. The lighting in here is terrible, but it's so hot outside. We're having another 100-degree day. Oh, I'm ready for fall. Okay. Oh, this has got sharks on it. Johnston & Murphy, size extra large. That's cute. Let's see, Johnston & Murphy. This is not new with tags. That's cute. Oh, looks like we got another jacket. Let's see what this is. This is a very lightweight a la carte. A la carte, size large. I've never heard of them. It's kind of like a pleather, fake leather. Interesting. And it's looking red on the camera, but it's more like a orange color. Okay. This feels like suede. Alfani Petite. Like a little suede little jacket. I think you get Alfani like at Belk's and Dillard's and those kinds of places. Okay. American Rag t-shirt. Let's see, size large. Like we have a little dress. Let's see. Little dress. And this is 5 fin medium. Never heard of them. That's cute. Oh, this feels good. Like feels like athletic wear. Garb, large, SPF 50, age 9 to 10. So this is a children's. Los Caballeros. Let's see Los Caballeros. And I don't really sell children's clothing, so I'll probably donate that. Let's see what this is. Oh, the good one. It's kind of a dated piece, but it's still Vineyard Vines. Size 12. Just a little shirt dress. Pretty colors. It's got pockets. That's cute. And summer's going out now, but I'll still list it. Alright, these look like a pair of dress pants. What would bots be without the dress pants? These are, I don't know. Oh, there it is. Assist, A-S-I-S-T. Assist. Never heard of them. I'll probably donate. And then the last piece, it's a white piece. Which if you get something white without any stains, you're doing good. Primark Cares. Never heard of them either. And this is, what is this? Oh, it's a wrap skirt. Looks like a wrap skirt. I'll show you. Or some wrong. Let's see, there's the ties. Right here, the ties. I don't really like the setup how I'm filming this today. Can't really see the products that well. I think I'll go back to the standing. But it's just like a little wrap skirt. Or some wrong. Extra large. Primark. Let's see. Is that linen? I'll look for that later. I need my reading glasses for that. Okay, guys, not too impressed with that. It was okay. The Vineyard Vines will probably pay for the box. But now I know why I quit ordering those. I only did like the clothing boxes a couple times, and then I just went to the shoes because I mean, you can get some good bread and butter stuff, but a lot of it sits for a long time and doesn't sell. Okay, let's do the shoe box. Hopefully we'll get something better in here. And I think didn't you used to get more pairs of shoes in their shoe boxes than the 5 pairs? If I remember correctly, I did. Looks like they've changed things up quite a bit on Goodwill. I really need to order. I don't have much winter in my closet. I need some winter stuff. But I am going to be doing another men's box. I have ordered one of them. And I'm still trying to decide. Someone put in the comments they wanted me to do the electronic box from the mystery gift shop. I'm a little scared because of the other box, but I may do it. I kind of wanted to wait a little bit. I see where everybody was kind of getting the same stuff, and I kind of want to see if they would change it up a little bit. So I may do it. I'm thinking about it. Okay, first of all, we have Man Girl. Those are cute. These are a size 8.5. They look in this one little black mark here, but that will come off. It's a little sticky. That will come off. And here's the other pair. They look in excellent condition. Those are cute. That's a good fall color too. Those are cute. Happy with those. That's one pair. Then we have a pair of Fila. And these are a size, size 7. And these do have some scuffs on it, but that can be cleaned up. And some rocks in the bottom. But all that can be cleaned up. Other than that, they're in really good condition. Just some black scuff marks. There's 2. Oh, they put some shoelaces in here. Dress laces. That's a little bonus. Because I get shoes sometimes that don't have laces. That will come in handy. Or maybe there's a pair in here that don't have laces. We'll see. Okay, we got some boots. Let's see what these are. Fabric and man-made upper, man-made outsole, made in China. Malia, 8 medium. I don't know what kind these are. They don't feel like anything. They feel kind of cheap, to be honest with you. But, yep. Karen Scott. I don't know if you can see that. But they are Karen Scott. And these, they feel almost like they've been sitting for a long time. You know how they get kind of, I wouldn't say completely dry rotted, but you can tell they've been sitting probably in somebody's closet for a long time. Okay, let's see. The net, well, these are interesting. Look at the, okay, look at that. Those are wild. Forever 21, Forever size 8. These don't look like they've been worn at all. They don't look that comfortable either. But they are size 8. But you never know. You never know. There's the other pair. Everybody has different tastes. Okay, these are a pair of Jessica Simpson. It's like an orange. I know it looks kind of red in the camera, but they're orange. And these have a lot of, I have to see if I can get them cleaned up. They have a lot of black all over it. Looks like probably the shoes that are in the box rubbed up against it because there's a pair of black shoes. But the heels look good. But if I can get them cleaned up, if not, I might just donate. I say donate, but then they have to clean them up. So I don't know. Let's see. Okay, and these are the ones that probably got those black. These are a pair of Dockers dress shoes. And they look like they are in really good shape. Here we go. So that's it, guys. Let's see. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was it 5 or 6? 5. The shoelaces. I also got the shoelaces. So, I mean, I guess you could say 6, but I'm not going to sell the shoelaces. So, I don't know, guys. Not real happy with those. The Bad Girl shoes probably sell. The Fila. I don't know about the Forever, and the Jessica Simpsons may not. The Karen Scott, I might be scared to sell those. They feel kind of dry rotted. So I may make my money back and I may not. I'm not too impressed with this box, and I guess that's the reason why I stopped ordering them. But it's been a long time. I've seen some that get some pretty good boxes, so I thought I'll give it a try. But don't know about in the future. I do see now they have specialty boxes like Lululemon, etc. I may try one of those. But anyway, so stay tuned. I do have a men's thread up box, which is my favorite, coming, and I may have a electronic box also. I still haven't decided on that. But anyway, if there's any boxes you guys would like to see me get, let me know. I know I had one comment about the electronic box. I like that kind of feedback. But that's it. Once again, thanks you guys for watching, and until next time, bye.